Good afternoon, Tika T, and thanks for coming in today to meet with me. I wish that I had better news, but unfortunately I do not. We have decided that we will not be renewing your Tika. We will not be signing your contract either. Your last day of employment at the farm will be December the 31st. Merry Christmas.
You have got to be kidding me, right? I am on hidden video, aren't I, Randy?
No, but don't feel bad. I am delivering the same bad news to 3 more of your friends whom you went through training with. As a matter of fact, I have to excuse myself for 2 minutes to call Tikubi and give him the news. Unless you would be willing to tell him.
You don't even have the guts to tell him to his face?
I have to be to a DAFO meeting shortly because we were planning our incentive travel trip. Man, too bad you will never experience an incentive travel trip. They are the funnest thing.
You're a horrible, horrible person. Do you know that?
Yes, I know. But if you would have only sold more 5-year term life insurance policies, you might have been joining me. I will make sure to send you a postcard.
If our life policies weren't 3 times higher than our competition, I might have been able to sell some more life insurance. If not price, underwriting was able to table rate just about anyone to squeeze more money out of them.
You did not dig deep enough during your IFR. Everybody has extra money to buy life insurance. You did not do what we told you to do. We told you to sell life insurance, even if they could not afford it. That is what successful agents are doing. I will be sipping Coronas with them in 3 months in Bermuda.
That's right. I did not sell life insurance based on your need to meet exotic travel level 3. Nor did I sell 10 life policies to each of my family members to get a higher scorecard bonus. I sold life insurance based on my customers' needs. That is called needs-based selling. Didn't you learn that at DAFO training?
No. There was only a 1-day training session available on NACO and I forgot to take that course. Maybe you could educate me on that sometime.
Why are you smirking?
What?
Why do you have that dumb look on your face?
That is my normal face.
Oh.
Enough about me. Is there anything else that you want to say?
What do you want me to say? You are releasing me into the worst economy in over 80 years. My town and county have the highest unemployment rate in the whole state, yet you never listened to me when I told you this.
We heard you but didn't believe you.
My household penetration was almost 30%. The population is shrinking and yet there are still 2 agents in town. I said that I would never make up excuses, but now I am forced to fight for my dignity.
What is dignity?
In the first month I was already on my second DFC, which disappointed me because my first C was probably as good as I was going to get.
I know.
I did not even talk to my AFS until month 2 when everybody else was pushing full steam ahead. My Prospector Plus failed to send any mail out for months and was not working correctly until July. I asked ISC what the problem was and they had no clue what I was talking about.
You should have talked to your DFC.
I did. She did not know what to do either. She never knew what she was doing. Since then I have been through 2 DFCs, 2 DAFEs, 3 MAFEs, 2 AFSs, and I was being told different things by each of you. Do you really have a purpose here at the farm?
No. But, where else can I get a hefty 6-figure salary, company car and pension in the worst economy in decades?
Did I really own my own business? You told me during internship that I would be a business owner and that I would call the shots, but really, you call all of the shots.
How else would we get you to sign the shitty Tika contract? We have to lie in order to recruit more want-to-be agents. Do you have any friends that would want to be an agent?
You really don't need agents anymore, do you? With 1-800-THE-FARM and www.thefarm.com, I can now understand that the agent as we now know it is done.
We were hoping that nobody would figure that out for at least 3 more years so we could piss away another $1 billion on unified communications. Man, we should have bought Esurance when we had the chance.
You will never be able to legally tell me why I am not getting my contract, will you? You will say that I did not meet the competencies. Not even you nor my DAFC could agree on the competencies that I excelled or lacked. Do you even know what the competencies are?
We need an agent that will do anything to sell our products. Doing the right thing is not enough anymore. Why didn't you sell more auto insurance? You are an agent in your hometown. It should have been easy for you to sell more auto.
Are you kidding me again? How am I supposed to sell auto insurance when our auto rates are double the competition? When they were eligible, they were put into standard company. From one day to the next I never knew if their CRI would exclude them or not. Do you have the farm auto insurance?
Are you joking? I pay half the price at our competition. Besides, I had a no-fault accident 13 years ago that excluded me from mutual company.
What do you want from me? I created agent strategies. I always did the right thing. I manage agency systems better than any agent I know. I advise customers, even when it means going outside of the farm. I believe in myself. I have been driving results, especially in the last 4 months. I have developed my team members, taken charge, and I am able to lead.
You needed to cast yourself as the trusted agent. We recommended to you that you sell yourself more, to do whatever it takes to sell a policy. Everybody will pay more money for an agent than no. Our studies that we have spent millions on prove that.
That is not true. The fact that I am a local can never bridge the gap between a local agent versus $600 in savings.
You are too ethical and always do the right thing. That is not what we are looking for. Why didn't you multi-line more of your auto insurance with homeowners insurance?
Have you been drinking? Now I know you are pulling my chain. Our homeowners rates are through the roof, and for every 2 applications that I submitted I had 1 denied because their roof was the wrong color or underwriting was too busy sending out statewide premium increases.
We are losing business faster than the Titanic took on water. We have to raise rates in order to cover our losses.
Have you ever had to explain to somebody that their premium went up 38% for reasons that you cannot explain? My underwriters cannot even tell me why. You have no clue what I am talking about, do you?
CRI will save all of us. I don't know what it is, but I overheard an underwriter trying to explain it to a group of interns. Those sorry saps. I think it has to do with how many kids you have.
Isn't it true that the farm spends about $400,000 training each TICA agent? So, if my calculations are correct, just in my TICA class you have pissed away more than $2 million.
Yes, that is true. It is the price we pay so I can travel. Man, I just wished you could go on the incentive travel trip. I just cannot wait to go on the trip this year.
The farm really has no direction right now, does it? I mean, are you a P&C company? Are you a bank? Are you a life insurance company? You want to be where everybody knows your name yet nobody knows exactly what you sell anymore.
You forgot about home loans. Do you need to refinance your home before your last day at the farm?
I am glad that I am leaving. I just wished that you would have done it sooner. It is now 2 weeks until Christmas. Did you ever think of that? Did you ever care about any of your agents?
I only care about the agents that will help me get closer to my yearly travel goal. Man, that is going to be fun.
Well, I guess this is it. I wish you luck here at the farm, Randy. I know that you have what it takes. I now know that in order to make it in this company you need to be everything that I am not, and I am thankful. Promise me that the next guy that you hire is a backstabbing cheat so that he may possibly make some money and travel with you next year.
Oh man. I cannot wait until the incentive travel trip. It is going to be so fun.